Hello everybody, in this video we are going to talk about SBP 2025 paper 2 question 9. This question is about your Form 5 chapter 5 distribution, where we talk about binomial and also normal. Now usually only 通常 part A they will ask about binomial and part B they will ask about. However, 在这几年 just to let you know, this chapter, it might be a little bit challenging where you need to know really in details about the theory behind the calculation. Okay, don't worry too much. Let's see this question. The probability of a student owns a smartphone is P. A sample of 7 students, 当他给你这种东西 is selected at random. This one will tell us that this is a binomial distribution. Okay, next. If the probability of all students own a smartphone is 0.02799, so it's at the I got 7 students, all of them also own a smartphone. The probability is this. Find the value of P. Pay attention. Give your answer correct to 1 decimal place. You have to follow. 如果你的 answer 对, if your answer is correct, but you never give your answer in 1 decimal place, ta-da, you will get it wrong. Okay, clear? So let's see my solution. Now, for me, I always love to write out what I am doing. But this one will never give you a mark. Okay, X follows a binomial distribution, total 7, and probability for them to own a phone is P. So all of them own the phone. So the X will be equals to 7. Number of students who own a smartphone equals to 7 equals to this. Apply the formula NCR, P to the power of R, Q to the power of N minus R. Okay, Q is 1 minus P. Settle. And remember, NCN equals to 1. They expect you to know. Okay, this is for you learn this during your chapter 4. Form 5 chapter 4. Permutation, combination, that part. Second thing is anything to the power of 0 equals to 1. So this is equals to 1. This is equals to 1. You find out the answer. Remember, your answer is in 1 decimal places. Good. Second part. A part 2. Let's see the question. Find the probability that at least means minimum 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. 6个. Okay? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Students own a smartphone. You can calculate like this. 你可以这样算 B when X is equals to 2, when X is equals to 3, when X is equals to 4, 5, 6, and 7. But this is too long. So 我们转一点点 change a little bit. I take 1 because total probability is always equals to 1 minus no one get the phone, no one's on the phone, only one of them on the phone. Okay, so this one, NCR, blah, 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 and you write either one, you get 1 mark, because you need to write everything, only you can solve math, correct? And this is optional, this one is to make sure that my answer is correct, and my answer. Good. This is my part A about binomial distribution. Let's see part B about normal distribution. Now, in a charity running event with 300 participants, the time taken to run is normally distributed. The keyword normally distributed. So we are talking about time. Has a mean of 25 minutes and a variance of 81 minutes. When you write out in mathematical form, X follows a normal distribution, my mean, and my variance. Okay, this is how we convert a sentence to mathematical way. How? Part 1. If a participant is chosen at random, find the probability that the participant does not get any point. Does not get any point? Go back to this. Participants will not be awarded any points if their running time exceeds 34. So since this participant does not get any point, means the time taken is more than 34. So I go this. X is bigger than 34. I apply the formula. Z is equals to X minus mean over standard deviation. I got this. I draw out. I check on my standard normal distribution table. I get this value. Settled. This part is easy, but B will be slightly complicated. Let's read the question together. Now, medals are awarded to the first 48 participants who take less than H minutes. So out of 300, only 48 of them will get. So this is the probability. Find the value of H. So if your running time is less than H minutes, only you will be awarded, correct? So this one you should write it out, but this is not standardized yet, so you will be not given any marks. Look at the second line. I change this, I got this, and I draw it out. I know that Z is smaller than something. This value is less than 0.5. When it's less than 0.5, it will be left answer because this part is less than 0.5. Okay, and I invert it. This one, you can depends on how your school teacher teach you. This is my method to help my student, where I do axis of symmetry symmetrically. So this one I should add one negative at the front. In this part, this will be 0.16. And I got the value. I do comparison. I get the answer. H is equals to 16.05. All right, that's all for question 9.